Welcome to the spoken tutorial on default plugins in gedit text editor. In this tutorial, we will learn about some default plugins in gedit text editor such as sort, change case, spell checker, and insert date and time. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 14.04 operating system, gedit text editor 3.10. To follow this tutorial, you should have working knowledge of any operating system. Plugin is a software component that adds a specific feature to an application. It gives additional functionality. Let's open the gedit text editor. Some plugins are installed by default in gedit text editor. To view the default plugins, from the main menu, click Edit and Preferences. In the Preferences dialog box that appears, click on Plugins tab. The list of default plugins that are installed is listed here. Notice that some of the plugins are checked by default. This indicates that they are enabled and we can use them. If you don't see as many plugins on your editor as shown here, you can easily install them. You can do so by using Ubuntu Software Center. Click on the Close button of gedit Preferences box. Now click on the dash home icon at the top left corner of the computer desktop. In the search box, type Ubuntu Software Center. The Ubuntu Software Center icon appears. Click on it. In the search box, type gedit. Click on the text editor icon. Then click on More Info. Scroll down to see the add-ons available for gedit text editor. We can see additional plugins options. These can be used depending upon our requirement. Select the checkboxes for a set of gedit plugins for developers and set of plugins for gedit if these are not already selected. Click on Apply Changes button. Enter the admin password when prompted. Click on Authenticate. Now, the most commonly used plugins will be added to our list. Close the Ubuntu Software Center. Next, we will enable few plugins. From the main menu, click Edit and then Preferences. In the Plugins tab, check the Change Case, Sort, and Spell Checker checkboxes to enable these features. Click on Close. Once again, click Edit in the menu bar. We can see the plugins are added to our menu list. Let me open a document fruits.txt which I have already created. The fruits.txt file is available in the code file link along with this tutorial. Download and use the text document. Let us see how to increase or decrease the font size and change the background color in the document. From the menu bar, click Edit and Preferences. Then click on the tab Font and Colors. Uncheck the box Use the System Fixed Width font if it is already checked. Lastly, click on the Editor Font button. Here we can see different font names. Select the font name that you want to use. At the bottom right, there is a minus or plus sign button. This is used to increase or decrease the font size. I will increase the font size to 20. Click Select button to set the font size. To change the background color, click on Cobalt in the Color Scheme option. Immediately, you can see the background color has changed to blue. Click on Classic to go back to the normal settings. Then click on Close. Next, let us see how the sort option works. From the main menu, click Edit and Sort. The Sort dialog box appears. In our document, we have oranges typed twice. Check the Remove Duplicates box. It will remove the duplicate words from the document if any. Check the Ignore case checkbox also. Now click on Sort. Notice that the words in the list are now arranged in alphabetical order. Also, notice that the duplicate copy of the word oranges is removed. Next, let us see how to use the Change Case option. First, select a line of text for which you want to change the case. Here, I will select the entire document. From the main menu, click Edit and Change Case. We can see options such as Change to all uppercase, all lowercase, invert case, that is, it will convert all lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. Title case, this will convert the first letter of each word to uppercase. Now, I will select title case. Observe the changes in the document. Try other options and explore the respective output on your own. Next, we will see the spell check option. In this document, let us misspell the word oranges as shown. From the main menu, select Tools and highlight misspelled words. Notice that the misspelled word is now underlined in red color. Place the cursor on the word and right-click on it. Click Spelling Suggestions. Select the correct word from the list. The spelling gets corrected now. We can also do the spell check for the entire document. I will misspell the word grapes and apples as shown. From the main menu, select Tools and check spelling. The Check Spelling dialog box appears, highlighting the misspelled words in the document. It also displays the correct spelling. Select the correct word from the suggestions list and click Change. Here we have two misspelled words. Select the correct word and change it. Click Close to exit. Sometimes we want to record the date and time on which a particular file was created or modified. For this, let us enable the plugin called Insert Date and Time. From the main menu, click Edit and Preferences. In the Preferences dialog box that appears, click on Plugins tab. Check the checkbox Insert Date and Time. Click Close. Now, I want to insert the date and time on the first line of the document. Place the cursor on the first line. From the main menu, click Edit and select Insert Date and Time. A dialog box appears with various date and time formats. I will select the second format. Then click on Insert. We can see that the date and time are inserted at the point where we have placed the cursor. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learnt about default plugins in gedit text editor such as Sort, Change Case, Spell Checker, Insert Date and Time. Here is an assignment for you. Open the document fruits.txt. Change the font to italic and increase the font size to 24. Change the content of the text file to uppercase. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The spoken tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your time queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NME ICT MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at this link. This is Nirmala Venkat from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.